ends 2-2 or higher, then of course Chiefs will go through on the away goal rules. We're underway. Brandon Peterson under immediate pressure, and he could be in trouble here. Yes, Shalulile, goal! Superb!
The importance of being back into the team. That's what has been protecting him from the injury.
You ain't put us in the face.
You can see his intention.
Put us in better face.
With his left, with his wicked foot.
I would never find
it. As well, but the spin inside the ball with the ball there.
A rollicking affair already.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Remember, of course, poor old Brandon Peterson in the league game here on National Women's Day being caught up. Which is allowing play to continue. Castillo brought down. Signing Reeve Frosler and Yusuf Mart. Castillo over the top. He's tipping.
Angle for a right footer. Enough power just.
Now Tembazwani. The key man today. Big ball here. Offside. Mamelodi Sundowns in the lead. Was in the placements team that beat Mamelodi Sundowns somewhat comprehensively.
Kaizer,
Bureau. Tembazwani staying onside with Bureau continuing with Frosler.
From Mamelodi Sundowns in the back, so you can't press to avoid having exposed.
Bureau, a lot more adventures today on the right, and he can play the ball. That's out wide from Mbule. Now Shalulile. Back to the end. Now Marcelo Allende. He's going to be trying to tease his way through. Now Butwil finds Ribeiro, finds Zwane. Shalulile going gives it to Butwil. And Shalulile with Zwane. Strong challenge from Kutsia. Allende. This lovely pitch is really helping the quality of football today. Just for Rockman on his left hand side looked very impressive with his passing today and his tackling. From Dikropwe. It's a little sloppy.
Always enjoys playing over the shoulder, especially with that speed.
Now Shalulile at the other end, onside this time. Has a look up. There are three options. Now George McClure, he's fine. Just hits him on his heels though. He might have been away. Onside. Got the big man forward as well. Mbule. Peterson with a good pass. Now Shalulile pass into his running path and another. Now can it be punished? Frosler, a little chip over the top. Was Ponsani, you notice, tried his hand on the shoulder, on the chest, rather than higher up on the face, because as soon as you do that these days, it's a free kick against you. There's Shalulile. Swinging towards the near post, over left. Little ball in here to Tembazwani, not a bad idea. Starting that game on Wednesday. Allende now looking for Shalulile.
I think days ago we've seen Kaizer scoring like this with Castillo in the first round, just going in between, just behind there. You can see that he got his momentum, he got the
results. This is game number 107 between the two clubs. Peterson almost handed another
opportunity. We've seen him as well in the first half.
Ronald Williams came up absolutely. Coming up to the half-hour mark here, Natural. Is there a response in the offing from Kaizer Chiefs? Here comes Mamelodi. He's got the corner. Only permutation will take us to a penalty shootout. Curly ball, back post. The clockwise in there. Chance for Chiefs to get back in the game. To the near post, comes off from Bule. Was that a handball? Yes. Penalty's been given. Penalty awarded. Place. What did he do here? Dupria against Williams. Dupria scores.
Inside the area there, and Dupria made no mistake sending Williams the wrong way.
Tough call for the referee to make against the Bule. He must have got some assistance from in Orlando. We expect much the same from Orange as well. Great ball out for Dupria. Looking to hit it first time with the left foot. Now Potsane and leave it for Dupria. Looks like amongst the leading scorers for Mamelodi Sundowns against Kaizer Chiefs. Peter Shalarina has just gone to 6 goals now. Mokoena, he's got a powerful shot as well. That's straight up in the air. Little flick on here. Bule might fall for Shalarina. Good defensive work there from Frosler, keeping him out.
Frosler, I want that point.
Tembazwane is always a wonderful passer of the ball. Let's see it. Allende, strong challenge from Castillo. Tackle fancy now. Chance on the counter. Dupria's gone off a little. Potsane rather's come out quickly. And Ronald Williams read on Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, Ashley Dupria looks up, cuts inside. Just looking for the angle. Shot is straight into the Moroccan. Simongo battling with Ribeiro. Nothing now. Allende into the path of Shalarina. Bule with a set piece. Sundowns looking to restore their. Dupria. Tech. Switches play here. Looking for Ribeiro. Good press touch. He was looking for Allende now. The challenge from Frosler. Ribeiro, little chip. Shalarina!
Williams actually started that move. Here's that incident. You can see here. He fought for that ball. Look at the chip, unmarked at the back. Look at how calm Peter Shalarina is at the back.
That's the vision to
Get
in a real tussle here. Tussle for looks up. Situation there. Peter Shalarina Yellow are looking to extend their lead. They have a precarious one here because if Chiefs score, the Chiefs go ahead on their way goals rule, forcing Sundowns now. Also showed a little bit too much of that. Castillo over the top, chases on you for Mordi. Upwards Williams again. As things stand now, it's a very precarious lead. Kaizer Chiefs still very much in it. Shalarina, excellent game against Maseko previously. In the meantime, Frosler is the attacker. Back into attack. There's space here for Yusuf Mark. Left-footed cross inside, too strong. Numbers are in the penalty area as well for Sundowns. It's a high ball over the head of Ribeiro, away by Edmilson. And yes, a bit of place for Mordi. Pulled back by Maseko. And he's double change standing by here for Kaizer Chiefs as they look for that goal they're looking for. Potsane. Replaced by Gonzalez. Both Gonzalez and the back of the head of Gonzalez. Not sure he knew that. Castillo takes it away. It's maybe a sign of electric pass. Up comes Williams too close to the goalkeeper. Left-footed cross finds Maseko. The cross, the header. Just
I have one.
Pushing forward. Pressure from
Williams signing him in the back foot, on. He's speed on the right hand side.
Shiny strength, set that up.
He's not incident. You can see here.
Time is time.
Ringwald is still fresh, using his strength, using his speed as well, fighting that battle.
To still being in contention for a place in the cup final. And remember, this long trophy weight is a heavy burden on their shoulders at the moment. Lovely skill from Ribeiro against Edmilson. Siley gets a second bite of the cherry. The prayer on the right. Towards the back post, good curling ball, but down by bad organisation and administration around the side. There is Dupria. Ball in the middle. No, that was Sani, was it? That was quick.
Hey!
But much like Orlando Pirates on Wednesday when they, in the second half, when they took the game to Mamelodi Sundowns. There's Allende now. Allende with a shot. Sungu in the middle there, we know his talent at national team level in particular, played in the top flight in France and the Glasgow Rangers in Scotland. Clockware crossing over the halfway line into strange territory for him. Musa Libusa only as far as Macho.
When you play this Cosmos, you get a lot of those.
Andrew Butler, he was before your time. Yes, Maseko shot is saved. Given away here. This is Allende Shalurile. Remember he's electric. Clearance from Peterson. Sundowns will be happy to keep possession. Who wants a bit of running from Maseko? He was in the stationary position. Edmilson on the left. Shabalala, the young man, can he turn things around?
For the energy that they need.
Preparing to the danger zone. The header was away from Mokoena. I think referee says play on. Maseko now, he's got options. He's got Allende to the right. He's got Mokoena steaming through, and he's delivered a rather poor pass. Rulani Mokoena to bring Onyango on to maybe nullify the threat of Gonzalez pose. Yes, Shalulile on the turn, that's going to go wide. Peterson needs to get this out quickly. And to go into the final on the away goals. In from Mart, up comes Williams. Too easily that by Ndatsane.
See the nice ball being played inside the box.
Maybe it was a penalty.
Maybe it was a penalty, indeed.
Referee, did he miss something here? Oh, that looks to me all money to be a penalty. Under 2 minutes for Chiefs. Edmilson, that's cleared away by Kekana. Forward it goes. Up in the air off Onyango. Headed away from Kutsia. Pressing says Rulani Mokoena, there's no need. The final whistle is gone. Mamelodi Sundowns go into the final.